Hello everyone, welcome to Sri Chaitanya. So I hope you all are fine. So today we are going to discuss previous year questions of your SCORE test and JEE Chemistry previous year paper. Okay, so I hope you all are fine and doing well in your preparation. So we will discuss a lot of good questions that will help you to crack this beautiful exam, and by this exam you will get a lot of you have chance to grab a lot of rewards. Okay, so please confirm my audio and video is clear or not in chat box. If clear, okay, so please write yes, all clear, and please like and share the session, and if you have not subscribed the channel, please subscribe. Okay, then we will start the discussion. So today we are going to discuss the PYQ type of paper and type of questions which has higher chance to come in your exam, and you will feel very confident. Okay, so my dear friend, so this is the SCORE test, and if you have not registered yet, so please go to the Sri Chaitanya score.com and register for this exam. Okay, and if you will crack this exam, you have chance to win 2.5 crore cash rewards, 350 crore scholarship, NASA trips, exciting gadgets, and up to 100% scholarship. Okay, so please like and share the session, and now we will start the discussion. And if you have any doubt regarding anything, counseling, subject, books, okay, you can ask doubt, and before moving to we will discuss those things once we will start the questions. So we are going to start the session. In between those questions and solutions, you can ask your doubts. ओके किसी भी बच्चे को कुछ भी और पूछना है पूछ सकते हैं. लेट्स स्टार्ट. सो द फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन ऑफ टुडे सेशन इज वेरी इंटरेस्टिंग. प्लीज आंसर. Which one has highest tendency to form uninegative ion? Question is brilliant, directly from NCERT class 11th. Okay, and I will show you the proof from where I have this question was framed. Okay, and if you have very good in solving this kind of questions, believe me, you are going to rock any exam, either that is JEE or either this is SCORE scholarship test. Please take your time. And if you are new to this session, please like and share the session. Karthik, how are you? So hi Karthikeya, how are you? How your preparation is going on? So my audio and video is clear. So I saw your text. Please answer this question. This is a very brilliant question, and you will rock this question exam. Which has high tendency to form uninegative ion? Great Karthikeya, great. So in which class you are studying? 11th, 12th, repeater, which batch? So question is very simple. Okay, question is, in out of these four options, which has high tendency to accept electron? Which will accept electron more easily? Please, Karthikeya, when you are when I will give some questions now, this is more important to give answer. Don't worry about right or wrong. This is more important. You should approach the question. You should comment on the questions. Okay, you have to show your thought process, in which way you are thinking. If you have committed a mistake, no problem, you have chance to learn something new. And if you are doing good, it's okay. So very good, class 12th. So this question is very important for you. Please answer. Should I answer? Let's see. If there is a generic, I will take any general compound, let's suppose X. If I will add one electron to it, it will form X minus. In chemistry, nothing is happen for free, but they don't need money, they need energy. Either energy will released or either energy will gain. So in this process, generally, electron gain enthalpy is negative. Generally, not always, but in general. So what happens? Your teacher must taught you, higher the energy, lower the stability. Lower the energy, higher the stability. Let's suppose this species has energy E1, this has E2. So Karthikeya is saying answer number D. Okay, let's check. It means if addition of electron, energy will released, means energy is getting reduced. If energy is getting reduced, stability will increase. So now your answer is absolutely right. Okay, absolutely right. Because many people think, sir, this is CGM, highest electropositive metal, how it will accept electron. But if you will measure the electron gain enthalpy, okay, has a negative electron gain enthalpy. In all other case, delta H is greater than 0. So very good, Karthikeya, very good. Okay, and you can see over there, okay, this is the screenshot of NCERT. Okay, in CGM to lithium, everywhere if you will add electron, because configuration is not stable, so energy will release. Okay, but in this case, already they are in the noble gas configuration, so you have to provide energy, and they have very less chance to absorb energy. Clear? So very good, Karthikeya. You have taken few minutes, but given right answer. Very good. Okay, let's move further. Please. So find the number in which addition of electron is an endothermic process. Intentionally, I have added this question. Okay, so please answer this question. I have not given option intentionally, so you have to write. Please take your time. Please take your time. Should I give you option? Please. In how many species, if you will add electron, energy should be provided? Your fundamentals are very clear. I hope you will answer this question. Karthikeya, please. Both questions I have taken in continuation, because if you are studying for any student, if they are studying for the first time, all doubts will be clear. Okay, so your concept was very nice. I have seen in the first question. So please try to give answer of this question. So question is very interesting. So in which process energy should be provided by the addition of electron or during the addition of electron? Solving? You can do it easily, because this question was very nice and you have given the right answer. I think easy. You can do it. Very simple. Only one new thing is here from the last question. Only one thing. This is lithium, sodium, potassium, cesium, beryllium, oxygen, okay, fluorine, chlorine, O minus, helium, neon, argon. Okay, please answer. And those who are new to this lecture, please like and share the session, please. Should I answer, Karthikeya? Should I answer? 8. Karthikeya is saying 8. Okay, let's see. So my dear friend, first electron gain enthalpy may be, generally this is exo, but it may be endo also. Okay, but endo in maximum 3 cases. In group 18, okay, beryllium, nitrogen. Okay, in these 3 species, and they all have already asked in your examination. Option number D. But either second electron gain enthalpy or third or on, that is always endothermic. Okay, so if you will try to add electron, so this is negative, 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 this is positive. Okay, again this is positive, so positive, and all are positive. Okay, xenon. So how many answer? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So you are right. Very good. Your fundamentals are very good. Okay, clear. Let's move to the next question. Please, I have framed this question. There are 4 options. Okay, so now I have just deleted this. Previously it was more than 1 choice. Now please tell me, out of this 4 curve, which do not represent equilibrium, please. So in y-axis there is rate, concentration, and the given reaction is, so this is R1 plus R2 and getting converted to P1 plus P2. So this is your chemical reaction. For this reaction you have to tell which option do not represent chemical equilibrium. So these are the basics and most fundamental questions. Very basic question, but very fundamental questions. Question is clear, Karthikeya? Your accuracy is very good. You are taking time, but you are delivering very nice, okay, answer. So take your time. No need to hurry. Accuracy matters more. So for this option, you are going for, no, D was the last one for you. This is more easy. The way you have answered the last two questions, I believe you will crack this exam question. Option A, okay, A. So should I answer? Because, okay, let's see. So my dear friend, what was the first condition for equilibrium? First equilibrium condition is RF is equal to RB. Okay, so this is actually equilibrium. RF and RB both are equal in this case. Okay, both are equal. So A should not be the answer. You are wrong. Please, does not represents. This is, so yeah, of course RF decreases and become constant. This become constant, but RF is not equal to RB. So this will not represent the equilibrium. B is one of the answer. Let's see. Concentration. So what is the second criteria of equilibrium? Concentration of any reactant or product should be constant. Okay, that should be constant. Equal is not mandatory. If that is equal, it's okay, but constant is more important. So in this case, reactant decreases and become constant. Product increases and then become constant. But in this case, along with constant, they become equal. So of course, this is equilibrium. In this case also, reactant become constant, product become constant. So this is also equilibrium. So only B is the answer. Okay, Karthikeya? So silly mistake. So A is the prime factor for equilibrium, okay? RF is equal, should be equal to RB. And the same question I have asked in very different manner in the next class. Next question. Okay, Karthikeya, you realized where you committed mistake? Okay, no problem. So all three are representing equilibrium, A, C, D. Only B is not representing the equilibrium. Cool. This is the finest question. Let's see. No problem, Karthikeya, no problem. How many options are correct for chemical equilibrium having equilibrium constant 1? Very fundamental question. Let's see who will answer this. Yes, I have taken few consecutive questions. If your concept is good, you will learn it. Okay, so please, very, very interesting question. This is the partial differentiation with time. So let's check A, B, C, all are good, all are right, or out of A should be answer B or C. Single choice. There is no multiple choice question. All correct. Okay, all correct. Yes, you are right. Actually, you know Kc is equal to Kf by Kb, and this is given equal to 1. So this is also right. Okay. Yes, a few minutes back I told you at equilibrium concentration should be constant. So if you will differentiate any constant thing, you will get 0. It means with the change of time, there is no increment in the concentration of reactant on product. So del change of concentration is 0. And many people confuse in delta G naught. What they think, at equilibrium only delta G will be 0. But delta G naught is equal to minus RT ln K equilibrium. In this case, K equilibrium is 1, so this is also 0. So C is also right. So this is a single choice question. So D is the perfect answer. Very good. Okay. So very simple and very conceptual. Now this, I hope you will answer this. Please, which of following represents correct order of bond strength? Please. These are very, very famous questions. In everywhere, people used to teach this. Okay, very, very fundamental and very easy question. So please try to do. Even people always remember this type of answer. So please. If not, then try to think for 1 minute. Okay, please. Sir, what is your native place? I belongs to Ranchi, Jharkhand, but right now I'm taking lecture from Noida, Karthikeya. Okay. D. Okay. Nivas is saying D. Take your time, take your time. D. Okay. So Karthikeya, what should be the answer? So from which place you are talking? So I right now am taking lecture from Noida. Okay, Delhi NCR. Karthikeya, D. 2s, 2s, 2p, 2p, 2s, 2p and 2p, 2p. So D. You are thinking this is, okay, let's see my dear friend. Electrons are this time you all are wrong. Karthikeya, you all are wrong. Just wait. Electrons are very smart. Okay, they always want to enter in the lower energy. Okay, if there is question n equal to 1 or n equal to 2, number of cell, electron always prefer lower energy. Okay, n equal to 1. But in this case, n is same. Now electron will take more oriented. Okay, so what they will do? My dear friend, if 2p, 2p will overlap, direction of overlapping, more overlapping will take place. Okay, you forget one thing. Okay, so right answer is actually B. Please note it down. Okay, more elongated, more oriented orbitals. So 2p, 2p will more, then 2s, 2p and then 2s, 2s. Please note it down. Okay, no problem. Those who never studied, they always commit mistake in this. Okay, but it's a basic question. If principal quantum number is same, okay, then PP overlap are far better than other overlaps. Okay, so extent of overlapping is the maximum because P is more oriented curve. So first time you are watching this question, Karthikeya, Nivas. So D should not be the answer. D, you are, I think you are try to imagine. Okay, so that is actually wrong. Okay, please note it down. No, Karthikeya, I told you why you are saying D. You are thinking why you are saying D. Can you give me the reason? No, Karthikeya, no, Karthikeya. I told you, na. Okay, Nivas, 2p, 2, that's why I have taken this question. In science, what you feel it hardly matters, what is experimentally right that matters more. Okay, so please accept it. I know those people who have never seen this question, I can give you more question like this and I am sure you will commit mistake in this. Okay, I am sure. Okay, so please note it down. So if principal quantum number is same, PP is more stronger than, more oriented orbital, more is the overlap, more is the stronger. Okay, now, this is also one of the finest question, please. Okay, Nivas, no problem. Which of following is correct statement regarding PS3? Amazing question, amazing. Even if we are preparing for JEE Advanced, okay, no problem, Nivas, please. This is one of the very brilliant question. Cool questions. Karthikeya, just once check. If you will find any issue, I am saying you that was the right order, okay? Overlapping extent of overlapping. Okay, Karthikeya, no problem. There is more question like that. Okay, 2p, 3d, that is more overlap, more stronger. Okay. PD pi bond is more stronger than PP pi bond. Just note it down. Please, which of following is correct regarding this? Okay. Please take your time. That's why I have taken that questions. Which of following is correct statement regarding PS3? Percentage P character is this. Percentage P character is close to this, bond angle is this, hybridization is sp3. I hope, so where are you studying, Karthikeya? I have taken very fundamental questions. Even if you will commit mistake, you will learn a lot good things. Take your time, take your time. Other questions become very easy. Option B. Okay, Karthikeya is saying option B. Nivas, this question is very popular. Okay, so just I have changed the language. Option B. Nivas, Karthikeya, okay, no problem. Yes, your answer is right. B, according to Drago rule, you must have studied, this is CH4, okay? Bond angle is 109.5 approx. This is ammonia, okay? So this is 107 something. This is water, okay? So this is 104.5 something. So people think this is PS3, so this is 107. No, Nivas, just wait. Very good, Karthikeya, very good. So actually, this is, in this case, there is no hybridization. Okay, there is no hybridization. Okay, in this case, bond angle is around 93.5 degree. Okay, it means pure orbital is taking part in the bonding. Nivas, and in pure orbital there is 90 degree angle, so angle is 93.5, so p orbital character is almost 95%, 95 to 96. This is a brilliant question. Actually, those who will calculate hybridization by math, they will write sp3, but technically sp3 hybridization not present. If that is sp3, percentage S should be 25 and P should be 75. But in this case, percentage P character is almost 95. So how it would be sp3? Have you, Nivas, have you studied Drago rule? Have you studied Drago rule? So in this case, there is no hybridization is taken place. So pure, what is your native place? I told you, na, I am technically right, Ranchi, Jharkhand, you know. And right now I am taking class from Noida. Karthikeya, any problem? Native place? So I have shifted to Ranchi. I have, my house is there. Okay. Karthikeya, Nivas. Okay. Okay, so let's move further. And this is very easy question. This is very easy question, please. No problem, no problem. Please answer. I think there is no need to pick up pen. You can easily answer this question. Please. Okay, no problem. Yes, Nivas, actually that question is very interesting. Okay, so that question was very popular among the IIT JEE and other preparation in PS3. Maximum, this is due to Drago rule. And when you will study P block, na, class 12th chemistry, Karthikeya, sir, do you know Shastra University? Yes, I heard about Shastra. I know it from, this is very old college, I know this, but not too much, but name is very popular. I know this. And some of my friend is also, okay, so Shastra, I know the name. This is very popular name actually. Okay. So when I was in IIT Chennai, na, so in front of IIT Chennai, there was Annamalai University. So I know those universities. Am I right? So in front of, once I went to the IIT Guwahati in 2008. So in front of IIT gate, so there was Annamalai University. Karthikeya, I am. If you can comment, I will analyze. What should be the? What is the current placement scenario? What is its package and all? Okay. So when you take admission in engineering college anywhere, if you will not get any good private college, oh sorry, in IITs or IITs, Please take care few things. Check the departments, level of faculties, are they are PhDs or not. Okay, so check these things and the real placement scenario. Okay, and if things are not good, thermodynamic, no problem, no problem. Okay, so okay, I will skip this question, no problem. So I will come to very simple question. Now this is very simple. Okay, Karthikeya. Okay, yes, actually this is very good. Your answer is right. Sorry. In this case, delta N is, there is no gas, so this is 0. So delta NGRT is completely 0, so this is equal. You are absolutely right. Okay, Karthikeya, your answer was right. So please, this is a brilliant question and very interesting question. Please answer this. In which of the following reaction hydrogen peroxide acts as oxidizing agent? Okay, yes, your answer was right. Karthikeya, delta N was 0. Yes, because when we calculate work done during a chemical reaction, only volume change takes place by the gaseous species. So there was no gaseous species, so delta N is 0. This is a brilliant question, and from last few years this question is in very fashion. IT used to ask a lot. Okay, please, this is a brilliant question actually. This has connection with mole concept, this has connection with redox, this has connection with D&A block. So you can answer this question from any chapter. Please. So, in which of the following reaction hydrogen peroxide acts as oxidizing agent? This type of questions are very popular these days in your exam. Take your time. Option D. नहीं, Karthikeya. Option D. Okay. See what should be the answer. So Nivas, this is very good question, and I will tell you one trick also. Okay, I will tell you one trick. What is problem in H2O2? Actually, H2O2 dissociate disproportionate to H2O and O2. Everyone know this. Okay, so this is -1, -2, 0. So this is actually called reduction, and this is called actually oxidation. So people got confused in this question many times. So let's see. Whenever there is H2O2 now, do not judge from H2O2. So judge from the other one. So question is about, it is acting like oxidizing agent. It means it is forcing others to oxidize, itself it will reduce. This is the true. Now, so which is reducing? This is +7. Okay, which is oxidizing. So in this case, this is -2. So sulfur is in -2. Okay, this is -1. So -2 is getting in plus. Of course, D is the right answer. Cool. Okay. So in every cases there is oxygen. So you can eliminate this option. Okay. So this is +7 to +2 reduction. 0 to -1 reduction. Okay. +1 to -1 reduction. Okay. So only D should be the right answer. Nivas? D okay? Yes, you have already given the answer, Nivas. I have not observed. D was your, for this question, I have tuition. Okay, no problem, Karthikeya. Okay, enjoy. Now, again, so you will find this type of questions in every exam. So which of following is a redox reaction? Again, it's a very basic question. Redox reaction. Okay, Karthikeya, enjoy. Which of the following is a redox reaction? Just try to eliminate or just try to identify which should be the answer. Okay, I think question is very, very simple. You can just say, and the score test is very, they will ask very easy question and very fundamental questions. If you are good students, you have chance to win a lot of prize money, okay, and a lot of good rewards. So which is a redox reaction? Nivas? Okay, Kartikeya, enjoy your tuition. Everyone. So just check now. This is +1, -1. +1, okay, +5, -2 like this. Sodium is in +1 again, +5, -2, +1, -1. So there is only double displacement reaction, okay? There is no change in oxidation number. For redox, both should be takes place in the one reaction, oxidation as well as reduction. So zinc is in 0 and going to +2. So this is oxidation. And silver is going from +1 to 0. So this is actually reduction. So only D should be the right answer because there is redox reaction. All okay, Nivas? So very simple question. Now, again, I hope it's a very easy question for you people. Please, for a spontaneous reaction, delta G, equilibrium constant and K, what should be the right answer? You can easily answer this question, please. You can easily answer this question. Just try to eliminate the options, you will get the answer. For a spontaneous reaction, delta G, equilibrium constant K and cell. So you know two formulas. Delta G naught, delta Z naught at a spontaneous reaction, you know this should be less than 0. This is clear. One thing is clear. Delta G should be less than 0. So this should not be the right answer. Okay. So second formula is delta G equal to minus NFE. Remember. So to a spontaneous, it become negative. It should be negative. So this is constant, Faraday constant, and this is negative. So this must be a positive. If this is not positive, delta G will not become negative. To maintain this equality, so E naught cell is equal to, so E naught cell is equal to positive. So only this is the true answer. So this is all are neglected. Okay, Kartikeya. Yes, D is the right answer. And one thing is delta G naught equal to minus RT ln K equilibrium. To make this negative, your math is very good. K equilibrium should be positive. That's why log value should be positive. So total value will be negative. So K is also greater than 1. Okay, so only D should be the right answer. Yes, you are right. Okay. Now I think this is the most popular question of any Indian exam. Okay, this is the most popular question. Which of following statement in relation to the hydrogen atom is correct? I think this question has very good connection with all Indian exams. Repeated in every chapter, repeated in every exam of Indian competition. Please, which of following statement is in relation to the hydrogen atom is correct? What should be the right answer? Kartikeya, Nivas. Kartikeya, you can attend your tuition actually, okay? So that is a regular thing for you and you should maintain your tuition. Okay, please. So very easy question. Actually, this question people got only confused by, they think 1s is less than 2s, 2s is less than 2p, is less than 3s, less than 3p, less than 4s, less than 3d. Okay, they know this kind of answers. But actually, in this case, there is problem. Okay, this is only true for multi-electron system. Okay, this is only because in this case, energy is the function of N and L both. But this question is regarding hydrogen. So this is actually single electron species. This is actually single electron species, okay? So single electron species 1s 2s is equal to 2p and 3s 3p 3d. So this is the most popular question because energy only depend upon n, not on L. Okay, so energy only is the function of principal quantum number, okay, not on L. Many people commit mistake in this question. Yes, so please, this is one of the brilliant question. Who will answer this? Very simple also. Find shape of HCF3 minus. I need your answer for this question. So what should be the right answer for this beautiful question? Please try. HCF3 minus. This is the question. You will like this question. Very simple. Electron pair geometry and shape. So I am asking about shape. Remove the lone pair and tell me which shape is acquiring. Okay, so to save our time, total valence electrons are 8 plus 21 plus 1. So total valence electron is 30. All okay? So we have a shortcut method to find a steric number. So steric number is equal to 8 divided by 30. Okay? So 8 into 3, 24, 6. So it will form 3 lone pair. Okay? 3 lone pair. So people think a steric number is equal to 3 plus 3 is equal to 6. So they find that this will be sp3d2. Okay? So by mathematically, its hybridization should be sp3d2. But so let's see if this is xc. Okay. Prepare any possible format. Okay. So please put lone pair on it. So which shape you will get? So either fluorine, fluorine, fluorine. Lone pair, lone pair, lone pair. Okay, lone pair, lone pair, lone pair. Fluorine, fluorine, fluorine. Okay? Is it clear? Now, fluorine, 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 lone pair, lone pair, lone pair. So in which, what you will say, what should be the shape? Electron pair geometry, in this case, if I will say, electron pair geometry should be equal to octahedral. Octahedral. So what is shape of this molecule? What is shape of this molecule? Can you give the answer, Karthikeya? So this will be the last question. Can you give me? So it looks like 3, T shape, pyramid shape, seesaw shape. In which shape you can say? Actually, by mathematics, people will say T shape, or if somebody will say, sir, in this case, okay, this is planar T shape. In this case, sir, 2 is there, 1 is here. So it's look like pyramid, okay, like this. But all are wrong actually. This cannot be determined. Because in every case, lone pair is at 90 degree. Lone pair is at 90 degree. How you arrange? Have you ever seen 2 lone pairs at 90 degree? Tell me. Have you ever seen 2 pairs at 90 degree? So actually it cannot be determined. Okay, math is not science, math is the language of science. So, okay, so I hope you have enjoyed, everyone. So, okay, this was the last question for today. We will discuss later. Okay, so please, if you have not registered for a SCORE, www.srichaitanyascore.com, please go to register for this exam, and please get chance for the NASA trips, exciting gadgets, and up to 100% scholarship. Okay. and 28th September and 12th October is the registration or exam date, and you can register on this website. Okay, everyone? So the SCORE test date is 28th September. Last date to register is 26th September. A SCORE 25 test date is 12th October, and the registration date is 10th October. So these are your dates, and these are the examination up to class 5, 60 minutes, 75 minutes, and for 11 to 11th, a test of 120 minutes. Okay, so please like and share the session, and if you have not subscribed, please also subscribe. Okay, and see you in next discussion. Bye bye. Okay, everyone, bye bye. Okay, please like and share the session.